you guessed it. That's Sonic 1 running on a VA4 over RGB. Have a look at those scan lines. And they're real. I didn't even have to use an XRGB. Now the picture's a bit dark and the colours are off. How did I do it? Well, look at these. What are these? These are probes from the oscilloscope, which I bought recently for fixing that power supply, which I have not got around to yet. But I'm glad I did this. This was fun. So shout out to Bad Ads on Assembler Games for recommending the Model 1. It actually, come to think of it, this Model 1 I'd done a half-assed region mod and gave up halfway because I lost interest. I was going to do a video on it, but I don't know what happened. Anyway, that was in February. Wow. So we got the Mega Drive here. Now the video chip on here is the CXA Sony CX. It's the one under there. It's hidden away. Now that then outputs directly to 4 of the pins. Output directly to the DIN socket. From there we've got 4 wires. I've got 3 black and 1 red. The red is red. I thought that was appropriate, but all I had were, well, actually I guess I could have used blue. But you're outputting R, G and B and a sync signal. So the sync signal's one of these and RG the other 2, and then you've got no, B. I've got R, B and G are the other 2. So they're all hooked in well with the oscilloscope probes. So that's good. So we'll give this little telly a go next. This one should actually be quite a crisp picture, given that it's the HR model, which does stand for high resolution, as it turns out. Whereas this one's just old. Okay, so let's switch it all over. I'm gonna have to put the camera down. Well, let's just look at Sonic a little bit longer. Not quite sure why I initially wasn't getting any signal at all. Just a white screen. But then it started working. By ways of magic. Sonic Team. It's beautiful. It's just damn beautiful. Look at that. That is magnificent. Oh, Marble Zone. I love Marble Zone. We'll be right back. I just found part of the problem. If I flick, these little things have switches on them which change something. Hang on, let's have a look at these probe documents. Okay, I need my glasses on, it's a bit blurry. Ooh, that is blurry. Input resistance, so there's 1 times and 10 times multipliers by the looks, so resistance and capacitance, so yeah, they vary. So if I flick those over to 10 times multiplier, it causes it to lose video, and that's what they were set to from factory. So there you go. Now I have to remember to switch them back when I finish doing all this, and I get some proper cables which have BNC connectors on the end. Thank you, oscilloscope. You were the best $600 purchase I've made this week, month, year. To the other TV. Alright, so this is all we've got so far. Just a line at the top, which is something to do with underscan. Yeah, there we go, now it's closer to the top. So we want internal sync. Oh, there we go. No, or is that external? Well, it doesn't really say. What does it mean when it's pressed? Oh, hello. What's that button? Line/RGB. So the second one is when it's pressed in. So that's it with no sync. That's it with sync. Okay. What other buttons have we got? Actually, you know what that problem is? I'd say it's something to do with. Actually, I can use my camera screen to see what the heck I'm doing. I saw adjustments. Where are they? Vertical hold. Haha, hello. Whoop. Oh, look at that. Oh, that is magnificent. So we turn under scanner. Oh, that's beautiful. That is absolutely the best thing I could have hoped for. So now I can go and get proper RGB cables, and this will be fantastic. What are all these things at the thing? What do they do? What's this one do? Nothing. That's good. And I'll just turn the brightness up. That will counteract the everything else being out. Not really. Woo! Kid in a candy store. Look at all these buttons. Contrast. Oh, you want the contrast up. Anyway, that looks very good. So there you have it. That is working, and it's not exploding when I hit it. Most satisfying indeed. Thanks for watching. This has been quite a long series. Glad you've watched though. Hopefully you've learned something. I know I have. I've learned a lot. This is excellent. McRetro out. Ooh, bonus stage. Go up, go up, go up, go up and to the right. Go, go, go. Go down, 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 left, go left. Left, yeah, 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 go in. Yes, he's in, he's in. Just roll around the things. Roll around the things. Oh, stop turning the... Oh, gotta, no, where are you going? Don't go up there. Oh, yeah, you reached the goal. Oh, I signed out. Whoops.